Alright you guys, so this is basically the hair now that I'm done installing it. I absolutely love, like I love the color of this hair. I love like the little ombre style in the front. I've never done a color like this where I have like the highlights in the front there, so this is really pretty. It's really nice. I've always wanted to try a wig with like the little highlights just in the front there, so I think this is really cute. As far as like shedding and tangling, so far as you guys saw, I just installed the hair. I'm running my fingers through it and I do get like a few strands that's coming out, so I don't know if you guys can see, but like a 1-2 strand is coming out as I'm running my fingers through the hair. I don't know if it's because they bleached the hair or whatever to get this color, but I am getting like a 1-2 strands coming out as I, you know, run my fingers through the hair. The hair does feel amazing. I'm loving this color on me. This is a really cute wig, and also it is affordable. Right now on their website, this wig is going for $150, so it's really affordable. I'm not too sure if you have to pay for shipping or not, but I do believe that shipping on your units are free. I will have everything listed down below in the description box for you, so just check out the description box in case I did forget to mention anything in today's video. Comment down below, let me know how you guys feeling this unit on me. Is it a hit or miss? And as usual, I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.